Morning.
Morning.
Sliced beef?
Beef?
Yes.
How many?
Hello guys, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Saan man sulok kayo ngayon sa mundo, welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, for today's video guys, pupunta kami sa LBC para ipadala na yung napanalunan ni Sir AB na GoPro camera, action camera. Yan. See you there guys.
One hour later.
And guys, nandito po tayo ngayon. Nandito po kami ngayon sa DHL. So, ihulog ko na po yung ano ni Sir AB. Try ko lang dito guys. Ito guys. Yan, nakabalot na siya.
I will give you the quotation.
Okay.
I need postcode in Philippines. Postcode in Philippines.
Postcode. Oh my god. I forget. Oh my god. Oh, I forget the postcode in Philippines.
You cannot proceed.
Wait a minute ha. I'm going to hope that I can. Check.
You know how to put this one.
Yan guys, nakalimutan ko yung postcode.
Star 1
How to check postcode in Philippines? Oh my God.
I would not tell you which one is.
Wait a minute. Oh my God, why? Unsay postcode sa Philippines? Postcode. Oh, postcode. Kanang postcode ba sa Philippines? Pares ba din sa Malta nga? Pares ba sa Paula? PLA 1050. Di pulo. Ano, Manila? No. Oh. Di kay Manila ang mga lugar niya sa Makati. Ah, okay. Okay.
Hindi siya magulo ba? Ah.
Oh, sagutin mo. Hello. Hello, Sir Ebe. Ano ba ang postcode dyan? Nandito ako ngayon sa LBC. Ipapadala ko na ang postcode hinihingi. 1213 1213. Yun lang. Ha?
Maraming salamat. Thank you po.
Sige, salamat. Sigurado ka, yan ang postcode kasi hinihingi kasi. Sige. Sige, salamat.
맞아요.
Andrei.
맞아요.
This is the postcode.
1213.
Oh, yes.
Mela.
Makati City.
Yes,
Yes.
Makati City.
Għandu għadet kaxxa wahda, kaxxa wahda, zaħi, ġiviri. Għansikom.
I forget the address.
Ma nafx xnej, jistaw jorġu fuq jumej differenti, daw leħu.
واحدة جيب الأخرى قبل
It costs 103.
Ha?
103.
Mill-Ingilterra?
100?
103.
103?
واحدة
Yes,
منها
it
قبل
will be
العيد
there 22nd
Ġifiri għadhom ħasbatuha.
February for 2 days.
ده لو دوم لو قلبي
100.
Mela ħana
في
ħodja.
سنة 29
Ejja,
الأخرى
You sent?
thank you.
Yes.
First I need your ID card and I need to open to check.
Okay. Ayan guys, sabi niya baka pwede raw niya tanggalin yung nakabalot kasi binalot ko kasi sa bond paper. Binalot ko ng maayos sa white na Scotch tape. Ayan, kasi sabi niya kailangan daw niyang i-check bago ipadala. Yan. kahit yung sa presyo guys, tinanong niya ako kung magkano lahat. Sabi ko, ganitong halaga. Tapos hindi ko lang ma-sure yung butal, kaya lang hindi niya nilagay lahat yung presyo. Sige lang, hindi niya nilagay lahat insakto, pero okay lang guys. Basta maipadala lang. Doon sa nanalo kasi mahirap naman na hindi ko maipadala, baka mamaya sasabihin ng scammer na scam. no? Yan, kaya yun lang talaga ang maganda guys, kasi bago ipadala, tinitingnan muna nila kung ano yung loob. Yan. So hindi ko na kinunan ng camera kasi baka mamaya bawal. So ang camera guys, ayan, ako lang ang nakikita. I don't know if I will check. Okay, they do that. I think it will reach.
Exactly. €2.84.
2 euro. Ayan guys, sa sinasabi niya, nung tinanong niya, nung chine-check muna niya, tinitimbang niya, ang gaan-gaan lang ng box guys, pero na-shock ako sa binayaran ko. Pero okay lang kasi nakapangako na tayo, tsaka napanalo. Naipag-games ko na yung items na yan, kaysa naman matanggong lang yan dito sa loob ng bahay, kasi hindi ko na nga ginagamit. 3 beses ko lang ginamit, tapos pinapalaro ko na. Kaya ayan, shock na shock talaga ako guys kung magkano yung binayaran ko, pero okay lang guys kasi bukal naman sa kalooban ko na ibigay. Kaya yan, pero okay lang guys, okay lang sa 2024 na kasi tayo ngayon. So yun na guys, at sana walang sana makarating ng maayos. Yan. So yan, sana makarating ng maayos guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa guys, nandito kami sa there is the Ryanair airline. I think for the package of the Ryanair. The Ryanair, it says there, building. Ayan.
Few moments later.
Yun nga guys, nagulat ako sa presyo. Ang laki ng tinaas. Hindi kasi naalala ko nung nagpadala ko ng papers ng panganay ko at saka yung anak kong nasa Finland ngayon nakatira, nung dinala na bago namin dinala dito, nagpadala din kami ng mga papers para iasikaso nila yung visa nila, lahat-lahat na. Yun. Naalala ko, mura lang. Ngayon nagulat ako, ang taas ng nila tinaas. Hello guys, pauwi na po kami. Uwi na. There is a lot of space farm.
Huh?
There is a lot of farm.
Where?
Farm, like this
This
one.
one?
Here.
That's farmhouses. It was before.
So what happened now?
So they call that. No, that's a big garden.
It looks they are gonna to.
Mall almost too big.
No, this people. It looks they're gonna to check something.
What they check? That's foreigners. There comes out, I think, from the garden. Or they have the cars parking here. Not to buy.
Where we are?
Orme.
This is Orme.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky.
1 hour later.
Ayan guys, nandito na po kami at magpa-parking lang. I observe your face, later I'm going to explain. This video will show you later and look your face.
I told you many times.
No,
When
no,
I'm
not
driving,
that one.
don't put your hands.
I'm just telling you about the... Oh, what's that, camera? Huh?
That's to
Looks like...
catch how many films. And this is the listen to you.
Reporter? They are reporter?
Reporter as such. To check how many.
Nowadays, a lot of films with that.
You remember the power station in Marsa? How many more films there was?
Looks like they stopped now.
A bit long, right?
My pipi. Nearly to explore. Ang akong ihi. Ang akong ihi. What's that? They're gonna to make a building?
Take I call her so she will come for this.
Huh?
Take I call her so she will come for this. Oh,
Lunch?
so you reduce. Look at the plants to reduce from the yard.
Oh, the onions is here.
Anyway, don't you? That's why.
Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo yung kalangitan. Maulap. Maulap dito sa amin. Ayan oh. Why she? Oh, the orchids. Ay, my God.
Bring the police to put them in the carton.
I'm going to bring because the orchids collapse. He tried to put it on the wood and the wood collapsed. So he tried to fix it on the wood and the wood broke. That's why there's the wood and down. So I need to.
Better I go fresh to pick them.
You know.
And do you want to?
Manager from where?
At Turkey.
So you call her?
I call her better. Well, she plant them. What?
That's onions.
Onions of that yellow flowers. No?
Yellow flowers.
That one.
This one?
That one that you like to cut from Lara.
I thought the onions that we cook.
Oh, sweet.
Okay. Wait.
Oh, my
That's what I need to take. Hold it.
Listen, don't make no. That's too much to put them in one pot.
More.
That's it will make more, but like the cane.
But that's the pot. It's like this, huh? The one. Like that, till
Small.
here.
3 feet, 3 onions only.
3. I thought the onions of the
I'm talking in English with you.
onions.
مش onions, that.
Eh. You didn't tell me.
Give me the telephone.
Do you think it's good to plant that now?
The anymore. Give me that. Bonġu Kristabel Toni. Isma, inti xkien kun nizla mix-xogħol jew għaddejja minn għaddi għalihom dawk il-basar. Inti mhux qudiemek ċempitlu laqgħa kbira. Lejju, ma bat għal-jissa, naqlalek għal-lek ma jaqbdewx nerġaw neqlew, għajja mill-lejla. Ħana jendek fejn, tidħol meħdej il-ħabs. Jew inti laħan nifhemek fejn, il-pjazza, what they call it, that one of the...
Square?
Wow, the road, in the corner.
Main Street? No. Samat Street.
Mela, Samma Street l-isfel, Madonna. Iwa, il-Burger King, idħol miegħu. Mela, ibqa diħla dritt, għandek il-mużew, ibqa diħla dritt. Għat tiġi fej Sapjan tal-ħobs, un-bad dur l-istel ma Sapjan tal-ħobs, ħassib garax xaħdar, it-tieni bib ma garax, ħabtil għal-bib u t-tijomlok. Samma Street, ma dik fiskil. Aw, 29 imma memx numru mal-bib taraħ bib kannella.
There is the Bougainvillea.
U għan tarra l-karozza tijaj for reserve. U għem zewċ wheelchairs.
Bougainvillea.
Għedin, ok. L-ora, għetlek jen, għat għandhom il-ġilduni xafġa fjom, minna il-ma jaħasra. Ma jena l-ġibtom l-ok. Toqba għaw b'niqma, tamilom xil-barra, ma għamilom eżempju ma xie passaċ, u għamilom eżempju kull sit pulsiri għamil wahda. U s-sonoro, għanek kan naqra, nefemni u maġanof sal għatjenu għal-xemx u l-ksieħ. U għiwa tamilom ġanof siġnin għax bijom ma tamen xejn. Eżempju, bad biex taqta l-fjuri taħħom tittaffeċ sari oħra. Dik hija l-problema. U għaddi, għaxet kien ġibom l kien għanta ma tkunx hemm. U għanta kawek tagħmelhom inti. Toqgħod ma u biex niġi l-ġimgħa tilfut li tima u ġal borza għal xejn. U inti mbagħad tgħaddi għalihom. Ciao, xejn. Ciao. She will come for them in the evening.
She's not coming?
She's coming in the evening.
In the evening?
Around 5. When she finish from? She helped me to jump in there. She have a big garden, big house.
They are... She have the money to pay you.
Oh, big salaries.
Huh?
Big salaries.
You forget where you put your bag. Huh?
I thought you bring it with your ear.
Where?
Later.
Ayan guys, samahan niyo ko guys. Bibili lang tayo ng liver. Ano? Not liver. Black sliced beef. Ayan guys. Mabuti na lang at mainit ngayon. Mainit ngayon, mainit. Pero maulap pa rin guys. Na-shock ako guys sa bayad. Diyos ko, parang ayoko nang magpadala ng mga item na ganun. Basta LBC talaga guys ang mahal. Kaya, wag na magtaka. At mahal talaga pagdating sa LBC. Kaya gusto kong magpadala sa Gusto kong magpadala sa post office kasi medyo mura. Kaya lang, ayaw na kasi nilang tanggapin. Bawal na sa kanila magpadala. Kaya, ng mga ganyan na gadget na pagdating sa battery, sa LBC kasi hindi bawal. Kaya yan. Uy! Tingnan nyo guys, sale. 3 euros, 5 euros, 10 euros. Hindi ko alam kung... Ayan. Piling-pili na yung mga natira dyan. Maganda yung unang araw ng sale ang puntahan mo at marami ka pang mapagpilian. Pero kapag ilang araw na, ang ganda ng bili tayo ng beef. Morning. Sliced beef?
Beef?
Yes.
How many?
1 kilo only. Yes. This is the price of this one?
What?
This is the price of this
Yes. That's 340 45.
And this one.
Meron. 15, 20. Thank you.
Ako'y magluluto pagdating. Maraming 10, 5, 10 dito. Medyo. Maraming mga mura. Kasi clearance sale na, kasi magchi-change na sila ng panibagong display. Kaya clearance sale. Magpapalit na sila ng panibagong ano. Kasi tapos na yung winter. Patapos na yung winter, guys. So magchi-change na sila. So yan lang yan lang yung video ko ngayong araw na to, guys. Pumunta kami sa LBC para magpadala. Yan.
Okay.
Yan, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Huwag niyong kalimutan, guys. Maglalambing ako sa inyo. Huwag niyong kalimutan, sana i-subscribe niyo ako. At samahan niyo ako hanggang dulo. Subscribe, click all the bell button, guys, para updated kayo palagi sa mga upload ko. Yan. So, hanggang dito na lang ako, guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video, guys. Sana wag kayong magsawang tangkilikin ng aking mga video. Sana samahan niyo ako hanggang dulo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.